Right guys, back over for another wee bit of action. So we've got all the extractor fans done. Now I'm going to tackle this track here. So I'm just gonna chalk line this up. That's my box there, and I'll chalk line up. Cut that with the chaser tool. Get it cut out, get it tangled, get a conduit in. And then I need to, what do I need to do then? I need to put a wire in, but I don't know if I need to run it all the way back to the board, can't remember. Or do I need to get it to this switch? Well, I'll just get the pipe in for now, and then I'll double check with the electrician later, because it's just an outside light. So I might be able to get it back to that switch. Can't remember what the plan was. Or get it to the light. I can't remember how we're getting power to it. Either way, it'll not be that much wire to get across if I do need to. And then once I get that pipe in and that track done, I'm going to jump up here and start trying to get that insulated. If we can get that insulated before I have to go, then I'll be pretty happy and impressed with myself. think that's that.
Try and squeeze the pipe in, make sure I'm not
fouling it in any areas. Yeah, that's good, guys. Just gonna trim the pipe slightly. It's just a wee bit too big. Again, wee tip my uncle showed me cutting this. You don't go full pressure, guys. Some of you probably already know this, but some of the DIYers out there might not. And you just wanna turn it as you go, and you get your nice neat cut in. So there we are. So all we need now, guys, is some single boxes to actually get it screwed on, and I will laser level off that box there, so that's the exact same. I already have laser leveled it to get my marks. So get this stuff off me. So I've laser leveled it round to get that mark, guys, anyway, so I know I'm good that way. And I managed to avoid the head somewhat at the top. But obviously when I go to put the wee back box in, I'll probably be either a wee bit of cement, squish it in. But I'll laser level it off that box just to make sure they're the same, just in case there's ever a border or anything put in here. It might show it up. There's lots of breaks, so it likely won't show it up. I'm not going to put any wires in that now because I don't know. I know where one wire's going to, but I don't know where we're getting the power off. Don't know whether it'll be one of the spotlights will power it, or I'll have to come all the way back to the switch. So I'll find that out later on. And oh my god, guys, it's absolutely hammering down out there with rain. Don't know if you can see that, but it is pelting down. So thank god we didn't put them outside walls on today, otherwise that would have been a disaster. But now that I think that's all the heavy electrical work done. I think the rest is all, technically most of it's second fix. But I think what I'll do is I will go ahead now and start insulating this wee bay window here. So I have some more 100mm to put in these wee bits and there, and then 50mm over the top. So yeah, it'll look good when it's all done, no doubt. It's just a matter of making sure I keep them white marks for the joists, so when I'm putting the plasterboard up I don't miss anything. Fell short there, but we got a delivery of 100mm, but just fell short. 2 more to put in, so another couple of cuts, and then I can put the 50mm over the top. I have some spare 50 Monarch stuff here, and actually feels very heavy, so I'm going to put that over the top of that one next time I'm out. Right now I gotta run, but yeah, I'm looking forward to actually getting that wee bit done. I think next time I will focus on that, just to have it done and boarded, so it's out of the way. But yeah, get a look at this, guys. All 100mm sitting. So yeah, bit depressing too. It's good to have it here because it's here, and I have it here, and it means I don't need to worry about getting it here. Just need to make it count now, so we know what that I've got, what I've bought basically. But the wee Ackley builders are very good at keeping me right as well. So yeah, guys, next time I'm out, got a good bit done today, but just all fiddly bits. But at least it's still progressing. Every day's another day done. Sort of a bit closer. But yeah, so 2 more bits to cut and angle and get up into there, and then 50mm over the top. I'm still excited. Voice is going. I'm still very excited to see what way it's going to land here. And if I have to put a wee bit of wood or something in. Might have to put something there just to catch the edge of the insulation, or I'm gonna have to just work a bit of magic and plaster over it, or could potentially put a wee bit of cornice or corbel there as well to keep it right, keep it looking right anyway. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. Hopefully you're enjoying it as much as I am, and again, yeah, I'm looking forward to really cracking on and getting on, you know, really pushing on with the boarding and the floorboarding and the insulating. It's the insulating is slowing me, but yeah, I'm a good spark anyway.
What we do in life echoes in eternity.
Like and subscribe to macplastering.